Basolka, IB Masters Learning Center at IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 19th question from Digital SAT Practice Test Number 1. 19 reads, in triangle JKL, cosine of K equals 24 over 51, and angle J is a right angle. What is the value of the cosine of L? So I'm going to draw a right triangle. I'm going to put a little box where it says J because it says that angle J is your right angle. I'll make this K, and I'll make this L. So what it's telling us is that the cosine of K is 24 over 51. What the heck does that mean? Well, if you remember, so, ka, toa. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent's opposite over adjacent. We're focused on the cosine, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. Now, how do you identify the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse? Well, first off, whether you're looking from the side of the K or the L, the hypotenuse is always KL. Now, if you're looking from angle A, then the adjacent side, it's the close side that's not the hypotenuse, so it's KJ. If you're looking from the perspective of L, then the adjacent side is JL. It's the side closest to L that's not the hypotenuse. Opposite always the side furthest away. So if you're looking from the perspective of L, opposite is JK. If you're looking from the perspective of K, opposite is JL. So anyhow, how do I label this property? Properly, there I see my K. Cosine of K is 24 over 51. So adjacent, 24 right here, hypotenuse 51 right there. It's asking me for the cosine of L. Well, I don't know the adjacent side. That would be your JL over there. So what am I to do? Well, whenever you have two sides of a right triangle and you're looking for the third side, you need to do the Pythagorean theorem. What is the Pythagorean theorem? It's a squared plus b squared. I'll draw a little line to separate over here. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. The important thing is that your c is your long side. That's always got to be your hypotenuse. So that's going to be 51. So we get 24 squared plus b squared equals 51 squared. So what is 24 squared? 24 squared is 576 plus b squared equals 51 squared. That's going to be 2,601. And then I could subtract the 576 from both sides. I get b squared equals 2,025. And then when I take the square root of both sides, I find that b equals 45. So if it's 45 there, so the cosine of L adjacent is now 45. Hypotenuse still 51. Correct answer, 45 over 51. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with trigonometric functions, sine, cosine, tangent stuff. Is there any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.